What's up, everybody? It's 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻. Starting an online store or a full-blown marketplace is a big deal. Shopify might be the name everyone knows, but maybe you're feeling those transaction fees or want something that fits your vision better. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 Shopify alternatives for 2025. Platforms that give you power, flexibility, and peace of mind to build your dream online business without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to switch, stick around. Let's get started. First up, we have Wcart. If you're all about empowering sellers and creating a bustling online marketplace without coding, Wcart is your new best friend. A platform with a sleek vendor panel, a powerful admin dashboard, and customizable themes. Wcart is built for speed, offering a smooth shopping experience. Their monthly plans are super competitive, especially considering the features they pack in. Perfect for entrepreneurs who crave control and a hassle-free setup process. Next up is Webnexx, for those who want a truly bespoke online experience. Full customization, tailored to your exact vision with headless commerce. Seamless integrations with all the tools you already use, from payment gateways to marketing automation. Scalable solutions for both B2B and B2C models. Dedicated development support to guide you every step of the way. If you need deep customization and control, Webnexx is ready to make it happen. Now let's talk about the OG open-source e-commerce platform Magento. Perfect for large-scale businesses needing complex customizations and massive traffic handling. With a massive developer community and tons of resources, the possibilities are endless. But it requires a dedicated team of developers to maintain and customize. BigCommerce gives you powerful, enterprise-grade features without needing a PhD in coding. Excellent SEO tools make it easier for your customers to find you. Simple to sell across multiple channels like social media and online marketplaces. No transaction fees to eat into your profits. Pricing plans can get a little spicy as your business grows. If you're looking for a scalable platform with tons of built-in features, BigCommerce is worth checking out. Last but not least, we have Wix, the king of drag-and-drop website builders with solid e-commerce features. Perfect for small businesses just starting their online journey. User-friendly with beautiful templates to make your products look amazing. Lacks some advanced marketplace features of other platforms. For a simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly way to start selling online, Wix is your go-to. So there you have it. 5 incredible Shopify alternatives to launch your online empire in 2025 and beyond. Each platform brings its own strengths, from no-code ease of use to enterprise-grade power and flexibility. Choose the one that best aligns with your budget, technical skills, and long-term vision. Personally, Wcart is my top recommendation for its balance of features, affordability, and ease of use. Want to start your marketplace in 2025? Try Wcart today. It's affordable, no-code, and made for sellers like you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.